After Senate Republicans failed to pass a partial Obamacare repeal Friday, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said it was time to move on. And a new Reuters Ipsos poll suggests most of the country agrees. Only 29% of respondents said they want Congress to continue working on a new healthcare bill. But the White House doesn't seem ready to give up just yet. Speaking on CNN's State of the Union, White House Budget Director Mick Mulvaney said it was the official White House view that the Senate shouldn't move on yet.
They should stay and work and figure out a way to solve this problem.
That echoes past statements by President Donald Trump. He told his Twitter followers on Saturday to demand another vote before any more voting could happen. Though he's also contradicted that message. On several occasions, Trump has suggested he thinks lawmakers should allow Obamacare to fail, then circle back to a GOP healthcare plan. The Senate might need to move on pretty soon, though. The Congressional Budget Office warned last month that the Treasury could run out of money sometime in October if the debt ceiling wasn't raised.